It was 1964, May, when, here on the island of San Giorgio, the Venice Charter for the Restoration and Conservation of Monuments was ratified, an act of love for history and tradition, but also for the future of humanity to safeguard its values. A few days later, just a few meters away, the 32nd Venice Art Biennale was inaugurated, which sparked the pop art revolution around the world. Art, freed from all intellectualism, became a mass phenomenon, free and playful. We have deep ties to Venice, a place out of this world where different and contrasting elements can merge, as happened in that late spring of 1964. In those very same days, my grandfather, Aldo Giacomo Nicoletto, known as Mino, was laying the foundations for our future, which he had imagined on the Riviera del Brenta, the garden on the mainland of the Venetian nobles. He was inspired by an idea that seems, in the fashion style, exactly the opposite. Promoting haute couture as an act of love for tradition while responding to a pop need that was beginning to emerge. The ready-to-wear garment, lighter, unstructured, free and playful. Words that seemed completely reconcilable at the time. With the aim of offering revolutionary garments without excess, in full respect of the canons of sartorial tradition, he devised a meticulous production process, which remains intact in its fundamental features to this day. A process structured to create works that require the same skill and patience as in the past, from our tailors, many of whom are young, a sign of a tradition in which the craft is handed down from generation to generation. We produce everything here. At our headquarters in Piazzola sul Brenta, care on details and total manage of the process have still unchanged, with now forgotten techniques, but also with the intervention of innovative technologies. Thanks also to the decision of Maria Teresa, Mino's daughter and my mother, not to relocate a single step of the process during years when it seemed impossible to avoid doing so. In a location that we would now call sustainable, however, which at the time was simply the result of practical and idealistic reasoning. Beauty is best produced when surrounded by beauty. With a distinctive emblem, a unique and unrepeatable marina, produced by other expert hands, those of the Murano masters of the glass mosaic technique, in use since Roman imperial times. Thus, our journey through time, looking to the future, is complete. Thanks to light yet resistant fabrics, impeccable proportions, manual skills, fine thread, a lot of patience, and a glimpse of magic. Become your own story in Italy.